it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I will be doing a collective haul. If you don't know what a collective haul is, it's basically where you just show everything that you purchased from a bunch of different places. So instead of just purchasing all from Ulta and it being an Ulta haul, it's from a bunch of different places. And recently, this is pretty much everything I bought like in January. I haven't bought anything in February, but I just wanted to show you guys what I have bought recently in case you wanted to see reviews on anything in particular or looks with anything. So let's just jump into it. So first of all, I placed a couple orders with BH Cosmetics. They have become one of my favorite eyeshadow brands, and if you haven't seen it already, I did do a video on this one. I ordered the Garnet Palette, which is their January Birthstone palette. It looks like this. I ordered one for me and one for my sister for her birthday. And then in a separate order, as soon as I saw this was released, I picked this up. This is the Lunar New Year 2021 edit, and it is so gorgeous. Like, oh my gosh, I have not put it on my eyes yet, so I can't tell you for sure how it is, but just swatching it, it feels like the same good quality BH formula that I'm used to, and I'm super excited about the colors. But I will warn you, if you do not like pressed glitters, you will not like this palette. This palette has 5 pressed glitters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's 5 pressed glitters. So that's a lot. If you don't like pressed glitters, I would steer clear of this palette, but it's gorgeous and I'm excited to play with it. So let me know if you want to see like a first impressions, a 3 looks video. If you want to see anything with this palette, let me know. And then I placed several orders with Ulta and Sephora. So from Sephora, first of all, I ordered this because my mom originally purchased it for me for Christmas, but she purchased the wrong shade. So I tried to exchange it and it was out of stock, so they gave me a gift card, and then I just put in my email for it to notify me when it was in stock. It is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand in the pale or fair medium. My mom accidentally got me the deep one, which I am definitely not deep. So I'm so excited to finally be able to try this, since I have been waiting since Christmas to be able to try this. And then I also got, because I love skincare and I've been super curious about Glow Recipe, they came out with this Fruit Babies Best Sellers kit with like mini sizes of all of their best sellers, and I haven't tried any of them, but I'm thinking of testing them out for a couple weeks and doing like a thorough review of the whole line. And I'm super excited to try these because I love fruit in my skincare, and those are all fruit-based products. So exciting. Then in another Sephora order, I got 2 of these pumpkin face masks because it was like $2.50 each. They were on sale, and me and my fiance have already done them. We loved them, would definitely purchase again. And then I got the Mount Lye Mini Jade Roller, or Mount Lay. I'm not sure if it's Lye or Lay, but it's just got this mini jade roller in here. And I have been wanting one to like rub in my serums or go over my face mask and stuff. And this one seemed really nice, so I'm excited to have it. And then I also got the Cancer Lip Stories because this year Sephora came out with like Zodiac lip stories. I also got my sister the Capricorn one, but I already gave that to her, so I don't have it. And the Cancer one is a very bright pink, which is very much not a color I would reach for, but like I don't have that many makeup products that say cancer on it. I just have the lipstick from Bite Beauty, so I really wanted to have this. I especially love the artwork. Mostly bought it for the packaging. These are so inexpensive. And then as a like deluxe sample gift, I got a mini of Charlotte's Magic Cream from Charlotte Tilbury, so I'm excited to try that and see if it's up to the hype. Then I did place one order from Ulta, and I got all 6 of the Pastel Dream liners from LA Girl because they were on sale, and I love the LA Girl neons, and I wanted some pastel liners, so I just grabbed the whole line. I just went for it. So I can tell you already, I love them. They're just as good as the neon ones. And then I got 2 Grande Cosmetics products because these were 50% off. I got the Grande Pop Liquid Blush, or Plumping Liquid Blush in Sweet Peach, and the Grande Glow Plumping Liquid Highlighter in French Pearl. I have thoughts. So I've used these a few times. They look beautiful. If I use a sponge, they pretty much get absorbed into the sponge and disappear, so I have to blend these out with a brush. But after I do, they're so beautiful and like fresh and glowy on the skin. But that plumping aspect of them is no joke. I feel after I put these on, especially if I put the highlighter like right here close to the outer part of my eye, I feel like I have icy hot on my face. Like, it's intense. And every time I wear it, it gets a little less bothersome, like I'm getting used to it. But the first time I tried it, I was like, F no, I want this off my face, it's burning. But it's just the cooling, like, plumping effect, but it feels like icy hot, and it feels so weird, and my eyes are like, ah! So just a warning there, like, these are beautiful on the skin, but the plumping effect is a little strange. And then I got a mask. It is the Andalou Naturals Pumpkin Honey Glycolic Mask. I've honestly had this one on my wish list forever, but every time I go to purchase it, it's out of stock. So I saw it was in stock and I grabbed it. The ingredients just sound amazing. The benefits sound amazing, and I'm really excited to try it. And it's semi-affordable, and I mean, it smells like pumpkin honey heaven. I'm so excited to put this all over my face. The last couple of things I got from Ulta were hair products. I got the Lightheaded Bedhead Spray from Bedhead TGI, whatever. I was out of hairspray and this was on sale. I don't know. And then I got the Hask Tea Tree Oil 5-in-1 leave-in spray. This is supposed to be good not only for like detangling and like a leave-in conditioner spray, but also like a scalp treatment. It does 5 things. I don't know what it does. Cools and soothes, detangles, conditions and tames frizz, adds shine, and provides thermal protection. And it was like $3. So I thought it was worth a shot. I have had a really dry scalp lately. The winter just gets so dry and my scalp is feeling so dry, so I thought this sounded like a handy product for $3. So that is everything from Sephora and Ulta. The last order that I have placed recently was with either KALEIDOS or KALEIDOS. I'm not sure how you say it. I hear people say it and then it like goes out my head and I'm like, wait, what? How? It is the Club Nebula palette with Angelica Nyquist. I suck at pronouncing things. It came in this super cool, like, I don't know, it feels like I got a PR box, but I know I didn't get a PR box. But I can't get over this super nice box. And I already took it out of the outer packaging, so this is just the palette right here. says Club Nebula, has the cool designs, and then that is all the colors, and it's stunning. And I've never tried this brand before, and it was one of my, like, I never did a video, but I did make a list of brands I wanted to try in 2021, and this brand was on the list. And I've been watching Angie for years, like probably like 3 or 4 years now. No, what year is it? 4 years now. Yeah, I had to think about that. I was like, it's 2021. I started watching her in 2017, I'm pretty sure. And so I am definitely a fan, and I wanted to support her, but it was also an excuse to try the KALEIDOS brand that I've been really wanting to try. And yeah, I haven't even swatched it because it's so beautiful. I just don't want to ruin it. I'm gonna have to use it eventually because, you know, like, that's what it's for. Anyway, if you want to see any looks, if you want to see a review video or like a multiple looks video or a get ready with me or anything with this palette, let me know. I'd be happy to do it. I'm so excited to have this. And that's everything. That's all the products I bought basically in the whole month of January. Again, haven't placed any orders in February, I don't think. I've really been just piling up these boxes, saving to do a collective haul for a month. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you've picked up recently in the comments down below. And again, if you have any particular products that you want to see more in-depth videos on, let me know. I'd love to do that for you. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, P.S. Don't forget to check out the video with this awesome Valentine's Day look because it's a pretty cool tutorial. You're gonna love it. All right, bye.